Ogai mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka koro wuok oko ka kwedo tipo ma osebedo kalandore mbui kama inene ka gin kanyakla kod ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga bang' wachore ni gitwak ewi telo ma kanyakla. Kalonzo yango ni pichano ne okawo mana bang' romo kod Raila e twak ewi jotend duond buche mag siasa mag ODM kowacho ni jo ODM odonjo e sirkal kigin.
They are having poached members of our coalition without consultation. Actually, what has come out clearly was from that briefing was these members, the four of them at the time, were very keen to join Ruto's administration without even a properly negotiated coalition agreement. I gave a direction as leader of Wiper that our members will vote against those nominees, even if their voice will not overturn what Ruto wants. We have taken the decision, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition will remain in opposition, and some of us are very clear, this country needs a functioning, strong opposition.